All right, so we want to be able to change both dice images when we click on any one of the buttons. In order to do this, we need both the right dice number and the left dice number to update when we click on any one of these flat buttons. The simple solution is to generate a new number for our left dice number and right dice number whenever any of these buttons are pressed. All we need to do is simply copy the behavior that we have for the right dice number over here, and we'll copy that line of code for the left dice number down here. So now, whenever either of the buttons are pressed, we update the left dice number to a new random number, we update the right dice number into a new random number, and we call setState on that to update the image on both of these places. Now, when setState gets called, it sees that left dice number is used here and right dice number is used here, and it will redraw both of these images. So let's give that a go. Let's hit save. And now when I click on the left side, the right side also changes. When I click on the right side, the left side also changes. Perfect. That's exactly what we wanted. Now, in this last challenge for Dicey, I want you to use what you learned about functions, or what you already know about functions, to remove all of our repeated code, because you can see we've got a lot of code that looks the same, right? How can you remove that and put it into a function so that you call the function instead when the buttons get pressed, so we don't have all of this code that looks identical to each other? Pause the video and I'll share the solution with you in the next lesson.